Hello, thank you everyone. It is Maurizio. I'm gonna present the upcoming projects for the next month in my Patreon channel. So maybe you can have a look, and if you like them, you can subscribe to the channel. Or also, I'm very happy if you just drop me a mail or message to ask informations, to propose ideas or anything, and I can work on them. But for now, we start with the first project. The first project is a project that involves Kinect and Ableton, and of course TouchDesigner. And yeah, it's gonna be like a project that allows you to control effects with your hands, effects on the music that you have in Ableton Live. So, but I'm just gonna show you what's the final result. It works also with a trial version of Ableton and also with native effects that you have in Ableton. So basically, it's everything is free. So, but yeah, let's give an example here.
Right hand. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, by moving my hands, I control the effects in Ableton on the track. Yeah, I like this effect. I think it's super fun, and it's actually also a super easy project. But of course, I want to make it more complicated. Maybe not this month, but yeah, I will love to add more effects, or I will love to control more effects, or maybe control also some visuals. But yeah, for the moment, I think this is almost done, and yeah, I will work a little bit on it to make it more clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and we can jump to the next project. Let's have a look to the next project. In this project, there is a connection between TouchDesigner and Ableton Live. Basically, on the circle here, there are some spots that when they are met with one of the sphere, which is moving, then they will trigger a sound. So there is a hit, and then there is a sound, and there is also visual. Moreover, there is this other sphere always in the middle, and when there is also this hit between the moving sphere and the one still, there is another sound with another instrument connected, and another sound visual triggered. So, but let's just see the example. And also here we can change the speed of the ball, slower. Yeah, it's a system that connects TouchDesigner and Ableton and triggers also sound and visuals at the same time. Last project, I will show you a short video where I demonstrate how it works. It is basically the same project or similar project for the moment, but I'm planning to change it. It's similar to the hot zones that I released just a few days ago, and it's basically yeah, this project where the cubes are triggering sounds when they are hit from a sphere. But this time there is also the render peak function, the Kinect render peak function added on this. So when I use my hand, I can move the cubes around. So and of course, according to their position, then the sound will be triggered. Moreover, when I get closer to the projections, um, an effect will be affected. An effect in Ableton Live will be affected. So the sounds will change according to my position into the space. Let's have a look and I will explain you. So here I will move the cubes in my hands using the Kinect render pick function. There's dog barking all the time in this area. Now I'm gonna go change the position of the space, the sound space. So yeah, that's the project that I built up. So I hope you will like it. It's pretty fun to play with these, and I'm planning to add actually more cubes and yeah, maybe different effects. I'm thinking about. I have some ideas about this, and yeah. And if you have some ideas, you can share them with me so that I can try to achieve some other cool effects. I really like this project. Okay, for this other project, I built up a Kinect render peak, and basically I will use by my both hands, left and right, to move these objects around. And so, for example, with my right hand here, I'm moving the right hand, and I close my hand, and then I grab the object, and I can drag it on the screen. And then when I open my hand, I leave it in the space. Also the same thing I can do with the hand here. I can grab it, then I move it on the other side, and the same thing with the sphere. With the left hand, so I can pick the object and then rotate it. So same thing I can do with the other objects, of course. So yeah, so basically, that's the same function of the render pick that you do usually with the mouse, but this time you will use your hands to do this. Yeah, I think it's a very, very nice tool. And yeah, I did a lot of research to create this, also because there were not that many informations about it. But yeah, I came out with the solution, and now you can use it. Basically, you can find it here. So yeah, I think this is everything for the month of February. Of course, there will be some improvements and some other details that I want to add to these projects, but yeah, this these are the topics of the next month. And so if you are interested into this, you can find all the project files in my Patreon channel. thank you all the patrons that are supporting me and all the people that are writing to me to ask informations or to just ask if something is possible to do or if I can help them with some projects. So I'm very happy to be to, to be helpful for the community. So if you want to ask me anything, just write me an email or contact me on the Patreon channel. So see you very, very soon.